Straight from the fields of Bihar comes a tiny miracle, Makhana or foxnut, packed with nature's goodness.
This is Makhana, also called foxnuts. Harvested from a plant that grows only in water, every seed is packed with incredible nutrition. Let's see what's inside Makhana. Just look at this: protein, fiber, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants, all packed into one snack.
This is where the real magic begins. As soon as Makhana reaches your stomach, its powerful nutrients spring into action. No saturated fat, no cholesterol, and the magnesium in Makhana helps keep your heartbeat steady. That's why it's a heart-friendly superfood.
Potassium and magnesium work together to support healthy blood pressure. And with naturally low sodium, Makhana is a smart choice for your heart. With its low glycemic index, Makhana releases glucose slowly, helping avoid sudden sugar crashes. A delicious snack that's suitable for many people managing diabetes. Stronger bones start here. Calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium work together to help support healthy bones. Antioxidants and amino acids nourish your skin from the inside, helping it stay healthy. Attack! Packed with flavonoids and polyphenols, Makhana helps protect your cells from oxidative stress, its natural secret weapon for everyday wellness. Simply roast for 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. Season with black pepper, turmeric, cumin, and rock salt. Your healthy snack is ready.